How to add Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. How to add Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet. How to add Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your system settings. Once inside, you can then go ahead and scroll down, and from here you basically want to look for the wallet option. Now once inside wallet, you then want to click on the add wallet option. Now it's going to be different for us because in my case, in order to add wallets, I need to go ahead and add on a certain application. But in your case, there will be two applications called add card for debit or add card for travel. You can just go ahead and choose the debit or credit card option, and from there you can then go ahead and choose between multiple selections that you can go ahead and choose. You want to go ahead and basically search for Starbucks and see if your region supports the Starbucks Apple Pay option. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.